Hello and welcome to Dutchman Seb. Now over the past couple of days I've been driving the latest addition to the Astra lineup, which is the 1.6 litre turbo-petrol OPC-Line. Now noticeable differences to the other models will be a revised front bumper as well as a revised rear bumper to give it a sportier look since it is the OPC-Line. Now this car comes in at 508,000 Rand, which is a bit expensive considering you can get a VW Golf GTI for 50,000 Rand more. However, this doesn't compete against that car because this is a family car. It's not really sporty, however, given the OPC line, it's not a full-blown OPC, because if we come inside, we'll have a look at what features it has. Which immediately you're presented with quite a premium looking interior. Starting up the IntelliLink system, push the start button and you'll see that there is quite a lot of tech in the car. That's where your money is going. Some warning sign over there. You can see a whole bunch of options over there. You got your music, you got your phone options, you can project CarPlay or Android Auto, got navigation, settings, text. I mean, you can do pretty much anything. Over here you have your climate control settings, options for a heated steering wheel, as well as heated seats for the front and rear, which is just what you want during the winter season. Now I don't know what this is for because this doesn't open or isn't a cubby hole or anything, so I don't know what that is for. Probably aesthetics, but I mean they could have added a cubby hole over there for sunglasses or something. In addition to this, the car also comes with automatic rain and light sensors, parking sensors, park assist, a sport mode, a rear view parking camera, blind spot monitoring and a few other bits and bobs to make your life easier. So as you can see, the car is actually quite beautifully laid out, and I should admit that I do like the piano black finishes. However, it does tend to get dirty, and when it does, it doesn't look that good in the light. Sitting in the back is quite spacious and comfortable as you would expect. You have a few storage pockets, some ISOFIX mounts down here, a big center armrest, as well as a couple of USB outlets and the rear heated seats that I mentioned earlier. Now, if we go and have a look in the boot, you'll see it has a decent 370 litre capacity, which is quite competitive amongst other offerings in this segment. Now the drive in this car is absolutely fantastic, with a comfortable ride quality, smooth automatic gearbox, and thanks to that 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine you can have endless fun with it, pushing out a hefty 147 kilowatts and 280 Newton meters of torque. Now said this car shouldn't really compete with the GTR because it's aimed for family driving and family catering. However, there's definitely enough power to have a bit of fun if you so wish, with a claimed 0 to 100 time of 7.8 seconds, but it feels much quicker than this in reality. So maybe this car is a little bit expensive for what it is, but it has creeped its way to one of my favorite test cars that I've received, because it is just such a joyous experience getting into every day to just go out and drive in it. It's laid out beautifully, looks subtle yet aggressive, and moves like a mid-level hot hatch. What more can I say? It's a lovely little car. The only downside to this car that I should maybe point out is the fuel economy, as I managed to average close to 10 litres per 100 kilometers, which is well above the claimed figure of 6.1 litres per 100. Well, that's it from me at Dutchman Seb. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.